Hi, it's Jerry. Today on the menu is our master clamp. Our master shop repair clamp is a totally new design. As you can see, it's totally different to what we have in Rage or had before. It's a new frame which is a lot stronger and a lot sturdier because this clamp was designed with heavier bikes and e-bikes in mind. Because it's so much sturdier, we can also make it so it's closed more parallel and grabs the diameter of the seat post, for example, better. You close it simply by turning the handle here, and this gives you a really nice feeling under your hand, so you know exactly how much force you're adding, so you don't over tighten any parts. The jaws itself are low profile, so you really need just a little exposure of the seat post or the frame or whatever you want to clamp, so they don't take up a lot of space. Back here we have the adapter. Under here there are 4 bolts that you can basically exchange the adapter for something else, so you can also make it fit your own stand. In case you were wondering, the rubber jaws on the clamp are replaceable and available as a spare part. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.